In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically process invoices from Google Drive into Google Sheets using AI. Here's the plan. We'll set up an automated workflow that watches a folder in Google Drive, grabs any new invoice that lands there, extracts the text with AI, interprets the key details, converts everything into a clean, structured format, and then appends a new row to a Google Sheet. No more manual typing, copying, or double-checking. We start by configuring a Google Drive trigger node to watch a dedicated folder named Invoices. This trigger checks the folder every minute, and the moment a new file appears, it kicks the entire workflow into motion. Treat this folder as your inbox for invoices. Keep it clean and make sure the automation has permission to read it so nothing gets missed. Next, the HTTP request node downloads the detected file using the file's unique ID from Drive. Set the response to file so the document passes forward correctly. Keeping file types consistent, like PDFs or clear image scans, helps the downstream AI read the content more reliably. Once the file is in hand, the extract text node powered by Mistral AI scans the invoice and turns it into readable, structured text. Expect it to pull out details such as the invoice number, sender and recipient addresses, invoice date, due date, and a brief description of the products or services. Higher quality scans produce better results, so avoid blurry photos or handwritten notes when possible. The output here comes back as markdown text that's easy to parse. Now we hand that text to an AI agent. It's prompted to act like an invoice analysis expert and extracts the key fields you care about. This is where the AI interprets the content, resolves labels, and normalizes what it finds, so the next step can rely on consistent structure. To lock in that structure, the structured output parser converts the AI's analysis into JSON with a defined schema: invoice number, from, to, invoice date, due date, and short description. By enforcing field names and formats here, you prevent surprises later and keep your spreadsheet clean and uniform. Behind the scenes, an OpenAI chat model, specifically GPT 4.1 Mini, powers the AI reasoning used by the agent. You can tune model choice to balance cost and accuracy, but this option offers strong performance for structured extraction. Finally, we append a new row in Google Sheets with all the extracted fields, plus a link back to the original Drive file. Set up your sheet headers to match the schema, and you'll have a live, always updated invoice tracker. With this in place, the system detects, extracts, analyzes, and records your invoices fully automated and ready for scale.